nice. So fresh. It's not fishy too. Hi, we're in the middle out of nowhere eating sandwich. Not really. As a Filipino in heart.
Hey, we
And
did
ice
that too.
cream.
We did that as well.
And what's inside?
We grew up doing this
Yeah.
one as well. It's not just a photo.
Ta-da! So there's a dessert sandwich and not dessert. Get the not dessert first. I'm gonna put this two back because this is a dessert one with cream on it
So this
and
is
strawberries.
a non-dessert.
Yeah, get the two, please, because for me
Both
as well.
of them.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm gonna get the other big one.
So this is both for me or just one?
That's for you. And this is for the other
What's in
one.
the dessert one?
Strawberries and cream and blueberry. It's a
Thank you.
Japanese whipped cream, I don't know, sandwich. Look at it. Ta-da! It looks pretty,
A
eh?
lot of food you bought.
Yeah, I know, right? Wanna see it? Ta-da! How was it?
Good.
Really? This is the Japanese one. Japanese egg sandwich. Usually see this one in 7-Eleven. Based as if I've been there, but you know what I mean. Should have sliced it thoroughly. Sorry about that. It's a very eggy meal, as you've observed.
I like it out here. I can
Yeah.
see myself living out here. But I know it.
And then the kids playing in there. No kids, don't want.
No. I'm not going to live here. I mean, out in the middle of nowhere. Further out.
I like the place.
No sandflies yet. If this was Nelson Lakes, there'd be sandflies here.
Oh, terrible.
Horrible.
Okay, there. Can you open it? I'm gonna put this one because I want to try the other half. I'm gonna eat this one later. I want to try the other half of that.
In a bit.
I thought it doesn't taste, the sandwich will taste different when it's gonna be in the fridge, but it doesn't.